Hey y'all, it's Will
and Mommy.
Hey y'all, it's Will
And Mommy.
We're
First of all,
making cookies.
yes, so
Cookies.
happy October.
And
We are,
it's Halloween.
yes, we got this cookie making kit or cookie decorating kit.
And we have pumpkins, candy, and
Icing.
icing.
Pumpkin, it's a 16 pumpkin cookie kit. We got it from Walmart.
And I got just from church.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are about to decorate cookies.
Decorate cookies with
So we're not
candy,
gonna.
ice, and
Okay. So I'm gonna just open up one pack of these because we don't need all of them.
I like candy.
Okay, hold on. And
These are
it comes with 16
I
cookies. Icing, candy. We don't need all of these. We're not gonna decorate all of these right now. Okay. So yeah. So let's hold on. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna make it pop open.
Huh?
You can make it pop open.
This?
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, so first we're gonna get our cookies.
I want this one.
They all the same, bud.
Mommy, I want this one.
They all the same.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what the cookies look like. Boom.
And mine, boom.
Okay.
And they have a head.
So it comes with candy. We got this.
And what are these?
We got this. Sprinkles.
What are these?
These are, let me see. It's some more sprinkles. It's shaped like ghosts.
Ghost, yeah.
What else?
And sprinkles.
Ghosts and some hearts and some
And
bats.
I said green
And then
and
we have,
orange.
they gave us 2 orange icings, a green one, and a black one. That's
And
black.
no, purple.
No, it's black. I promise you it's black. Okay. So I'm gonna open
Yeah.
that one.
I want
Open that one. Oops.
and then
Open that one. So now,
I want orange.
okay, you wanna start with orange? Okay, I'm gonna start with green, and I'm gonna just,
And I'll start with orange.
and so you just squeeze it out and color it the way you want to.
What I like in
Okay.
and I'm going to black.
So we got orange. No, I mean I got green,
And I got black.
and then I'm gonna try to do like how they did theirs on this one. Let me see.
I'm gonna do green.
Um,
I'm gonna do a mustache.
You want to do him a mustache?
Yeah.
You silly.
I'm not silly. You silly.
You silly.
Mama.
Slow down.
You my best friend.
You my best friend.
What?
You my bestie.
What?
Did you say I'm your best friend?
Yeah.
Can I say you my best friend?
That's so good.
It's good. The icing is good.
It's my coat.
Yeah, it's been sitting out.
I'm gonna choose black because the green is out.
There ain't no, you just probably gotta squeeze it good.
Yeah, this is good.
Y'all, I'm really concentrating.
Yeah, my mommy is cheat.
I'm cheating.
What?
What you say?
I say you cheat.
So, well, don't do that.
But it's so good.
What's your favorite thing to do at school?
My favorite thing has to be orange and black.
No, I said, what's your favorite thing to do at school?
Letters.
Letters.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Pink
Pink
and purple.
and purple.
Yeah.
I thought you liked yellow too. Pink, purple, and yellow.
Well, this pumpkin is like in the beach too.
Do you know my favorite color?
Yeah.
What's my favorite color?
Blue.
Yes, you are so right. You remember. Yeah, so you be listening to mommy when she tell you stuff.
Yes. You're my good mom.
Oh, thank you. You're my good daughter.
Thank you.
I'm trying to do it like
I'm black.
on the thing, but this is not working.
Mommy, it's all black.
No, it's not. You just got to squeeze it good.
Okay.
I'm going to set this one to the side. I'm going to do one more.
Huh?
Finish decorating that one.
No, I'm done.
That's how you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're only going to decorate 2 each. Okay. We're going to decorate our 2 each, and then we're going to show y'all what they look like. I might need to cut open the other. They didn't give us much icing, so like when we get ready to do the other icings, don't put that one on top of that one. Let it sit over there and enjoy like.
No.
Yeah, they didn't give us much icing, so I'm gonna have to go like get some more icing when the time.
Orange.
Yeah, there's some more orange.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm gonna do.
Why? Well, mine's gonna be 2.
You gonna beat me?
Yeah. And there's no more green.
There's still some green in here. We just gotta be able to take it out. So
Huh?
I said we're just gonna have to really squeeze it.
Oh, there's more green and black. Orange is mine, not favorite color.
Not your favorite color?
No.
No, not me either.
No. I like blue. No, you like blue.
Look, I drew a smiley face.
Huh? Huh?
I drew a smiley face.
Oh. And I'm gonna get candy.
Get you some candy. Get you some candy. Let me open it.
Okay. And sprinkles.
I'm gonna have to get some Ziploc bags.
So good.
I have to need some on my eyes.
I like purple. Wow. Really
Okay.
pretty.
Some sprinkle. No, these are like the little hearts.
And mine's ham. What?
You how they put together.
I did? Thanks. What? What?
I'm spilling stuff.
I am still stuff?
Don't do all of them, Buggy. Don't do all of them. Don't do that.
What?
I'm not there. Oh,
Yep.
yeah. And I think this was only like $9, I think. So it's not expensive.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna go get some Ziploc bags.
I want these two.
I'm gonna get some Ziploc bags to put that stuff in.
Huh? What?
I'm getting a Ziploc, a small sandwich bag, so we can put all that in here. Yeah, they're not expensive. It's just that they could have came with more icing. So if you have a larger family, like I said, this is how big the icing is. And we got 2 orange ones, a black one, and a green one. So if you have a larger family and you try to decorate all these cookies, then
Mom. They.
y'all got to see this girl cookie.
I want some sprinkles.
No, you have enough on that cookie.
No.
You definitely have enough. No.
Please, I want sprinkles on it. Please. Please, I want sprinkles on it.
Buggy.
What?
Do you see all the stuff you have on that cookie?
Yes.
Okay, so that's enough. Put some more icing on it.
I am.
Okay.
icing on the green.
Okay.
I'm getting. Yeah.
So I should have got some another one for the cookies. Me for that.
I'm just gonna put in a.
Any more?
Yeah, I need black.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go get us some more icing because when we want to do the rest of these cookies, that's not gonna be enough.
What?
I'm talking about that. So, you done?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Y'all, so we had parents.
Hey y'all, so the video went back on the own.
It stopped on this because it said I have too much storage. So I deleted some stuff, but we're gonna figure it out after this. So are you done? So we can show them our cookies? Don't do that. Don't do that. Are you done?
Now.
Huh?
Now.
Okay. Hold on. Now I'm gonna pause the video again so we
I'm
can.
not done.
You're not done?
No.
Oh, I thought you was done.
No, why'd you do that?
My bad.
What?
I said my bad.
I still have some green.
Okay. No. Do your cookie. Do your cookie, not mine. She's trying to mess up my cookie. I think she hating on me, y'all.
I miss everything.
Okay, come on. That's enough. You have enough time.
No. Mommy,
Mm.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Well, you need to come on because it's time to start.
Eat it.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna pause the video so that we can show y'all what our cookies look like because she doing too much and it's time to wrap it up. Y'all should see it's just too much going on. She gonna be bouncing off walls. So we will be right back. All right, y'all. So this is cookie number 1. This is her cookie number 2. And here's my cookie number 1. And my cookie number 2. All right, y'all. So now we're going to try our cookies. You ready, bud?
I want to try this one.
Okay. I think I'm going to try this one. I'm going to try this one.
No,
Okay.
no.
Let's see.
God, don't do it.
Well, here we go.
Uh-oh, my candy's falling.
That's because you have a lot on there.
Good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Sit down.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Yeah. I would
10
probably-
out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
That one good. Let me see.
And mine's. And this one is good. I'll try mine's.
They good.
Yeah.
You need help picking up?
No, I got
No.
it.
Okay, y'all.
Bye.
So, go get y'all a kit at Walmart.
Yeah.
They are
And
good.
I have pumpkin.
They are good.
And and I have this.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.